Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful Buddhist ritual that is simple, sacred, and deeply transformative. It's called the salt offering, a ritual of purification, letting go, and inner clarity. If you're carrying emotional weight, feeling energetically stuck, in Buddhism, salt isn't just seasoning, it's a symbol of purification. It absorbs negative energy. It represents the heaviness of emotions we hold on to: fear, anger, regret, grief. Grain by grain, those feelings pile up inside us. But when we offer salt with awareness, we symbolically release those burdens, returning to the stillness within, or simply seeking a peaceful way to cleanse your mind and heart. This ritual might speak straight to your soul. So how does this ritual work? Let me guide you through it, step by step. Let's begin. First, prepare your space. Light a candle or some incense. Place a small bowl of sea salt in front of you, on an altar, table, or even the ground. Next, set your intention. Close your eyes, bring your hands together at your heart, and ask yourself, what am I ready to release? What energy am I choosing to let go of today? You can speak your intention out loud or hold it silently in your heart. Then, take a small pinch of salt and slowly offer it. You can drop it into water, onto the earth, or into fire, whatever feels right to you. Repeat this 3 times, once for the Buddha, once for the Dharma, and once for the Sangha, the spiritual community. Visual: salt gently dropping into a bowl of water. As you do, say softly, "May all impurities be cleansed. May I be free. May all beings find peace." This ritual is deeply connected to one of the Buddha's most beautiful teachings. He once said, "If you put a handful of salt into a cup of water, the water becomes undrinkable. But if you put that same salt into a vast lake, the water is still pure and clear." Your suffering is like the salt. The size doesn't change, but the container does. The message: expand your heart, widen your mind. The pain may still be there, but it won't control you. The salt ritual is like a medicine for the soul. It doesn't fix everything, but it clears space so that healing can begin. In a world filled with noise and stress, this ritual helps you come back to stillness. And in that stillness, you remember who you really are. You don't need to wait for a ceremony or a special occasion. You can practice the salt ritual anytime. In the morning, to start your day with clarity. On a full moon, to release what no longer serves you when you feel emotionally heavy, or to honor a loved one who has passed on. Even just a minute. One pinch of salt, offered with full presence, can shift your energy. Everything we hold on to eventually dissolves, and when we let go with love, we make space for peace. The salt ritual reminds us, nothing is truly ours to keep, but in the act of offering, we are given freedom. If this ritual touched something in you, try it, feel it, let it guide you, and remember, you are not alone. On the path of release, we walk together. Thank you for being here today. May you be happy, may you be well, may you be free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mindful rituals and Buddhist wisdom.